Hello students, welcome to the instructions to help with the lab safety stations activity. Consider this to be a digital or virtual option to lab stations. So if we were to be doing this in the classroom, each of these 7 stations would be posted around the room, and I would give you the instructions to do the input stations before the output stations. So the 4 input stations are watch it, read it, explore it, and research it. And you know they're input stations because there is an input stamp on the slides. So what you're going to do is you're going to work on the 4 input stations. It doesn't matter which order you do those stations. As you get those stations done, you're going to take the shape and drag it over on top to show that you completed that station. That way you can keep track of what you have done. There are directions for each station. To click on a link, you're going to hover over that link and then click the link that pops up. In order to write in your answers, there are sentence starters here. So this is the beginning of the answer. According to the video, the 3 lab safety procedures are, and you could say what the answers are and just go ahead and continue to type it in and finish the sentence. For some other activities, there is a drag and drop option. So it wants you to drag the answer to where you think it needs to go. And then the last different type of answering process is an illustrate it. And there are directions here on how to do potential illustrations. For the illustrate it, I'm giving you some choice. You can either do the create it and create a poster, or you can do a comic strip. You can do one or the other. Or if you have lots of time and you're waiting for your peers to get done, you can do both. Let me know if you have any questions. My hint for questions is to use the comment box and write your question. I will not get an email or anything or a notification that you have asked a question, but when we get back together, you won't have forgotten your question. It does not matter the order that you do these activities, just as long as you do the inputs first and then the outputs second. So you want to do the inputs. There are 4 inputs: watch it, read it, explore it, and research it. And then there are 3 outputs: organize it, illustrate, and assess it. You want to do the 4 inputs before you do the 3 outputs. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day.